It's so painful. I even feel like crying sometimes. I wish I had done things differently. I wish I could take that back. Have you ever had a moment like that? A regretful memory just wouldn't leave you alone. But why do we have to feel regret? How to stop it? Think about it. Regret only comes in hindsight. You can't possibly look forward to something with regret. You've done something, then you judged yourself and you realize what you've done was wrong, which led to some undesirable consequence. But we are humans. We all make mistakes, don't we? Why can't I just acknowledge my mistake, learn from it, vow not to repeat it again, and move on cheerfully? Why regret has to cut so deeply sometimes? Let me tell you a real story. My mom had stage 4 cancer. At the time, I always thought I knew what was good for her, especially when it came to food. I believed she should avoid meat, seasonings, or anything too nutritious which might feed the cancer cells. I believed only greens and fruits were best for her. I was acting what I believed was my best intention. We didn't live together. I visited her from time to time. On one particular evening when I visited, she cooked me a really nice family meal. Although it was just me and her, it was a table full of delicious dishes. It was 17 years ago, so I can't remember all details. But I clearly remember one particular dish, steamed abalone, a dish of delicacy. But you know what? I didn't show any appreciation. I didn't say a word. I didn't touch one single abalone. Not even when she asked me why. Not even when she told me that she was making it especially for me. I was stubborn. I was trying to make a statement that those were exactly the kind of food that she should avoid. So the dish was untouched, and we didn't talk much during the evening. Finally, she passed away later in that year. For the past 17 years, her look of disappointment and sadness on that evening never left me. I kept asking myself, what mistake did I make? I was fucking stupid. For all good intent, my prejudice about her diet was not exactly science-based. In hindsight, it was just out of my sheer desperation. But I ruined the remaining few precious moments which I could have spent with her cheerfully for nothing but my dumb ego. What makes me regret so deeply was not just that I was wrong. I mean, she probably wouldn't have lived longer no matter what she ate or what she avoided to eat. It's that in that moment, my action, my stupid stubbornness meant disapproval, distance, isolation, emotional hurt to someone I loved dearly, deeply. How could I be so cruel? That's where regret becomes so painful in a different way. It's not the kind of regret which says, I wish I had gotten a better outcome. It's the kind which says, I became the kind of person I didn't want to be, even hated to be. That's much harder to live with, because I cannot go back. I cannot undo what I did. I cannot sit with her now and say sorry in a way that I wish I could, except in front of her grave. So, what do we do with that kind of painful regret? Although the pain is not going away easily, I think the only way forward is to understand what the pain is trying to teach us. To me, it says, live with more compassion, question my ego, stay present, live in the moment, not in some imagined future, and never let pride destroy a moment which could have been filled with love. That's how I reconcile with myself, not by pretending it never happened, not by escaping the pain, but by allowing the pain to shape me into a better person. So if you're carrying regret too, I think the question for you is not just what did I do wrong? The deeper question is, what kind of person do I need to become so I don't keep living against my own values? Because maybe regret is not just punishment. Maybe it's a painful invitation to grow. Face it, listen to it, then become the person your pain is asking you to become. If this resonated with you and you also have your stories to share, please drop me your comments or DM me. And if you're new here, please subscribe to the Awakening channel. Thank you.